Health is wealth. To maintain a good and healthy lifestyle, here are 5 basic yoga asanas for you.
Slowly lift the right knee up into your chest. You can bring your hands to your hips and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it into tree, Vrikshasana. Sole of your right foot against the left thigh. You can bring it anywhere above or below your knee, depending on how you're comfortable. Bring your hands to your heart. And if you're comfortable, lift your hands up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your right leg, shake the legs out. And let's repeat on the other side. Shift the weight onto the right leg. Fix your drishti, hopefully it's the same drishti. Bring your left knee up into your chest. Hands on your hips and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Vrikshasana. Embody the strength and the lightness of a tree. Strong from the legs and light in the upper body. The more you root down, the more lightness you feel. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring that left leg down, shake the legs out.
Now as you inhale, you take your hands to the sides, stretch it up towards the ceiling, interlock your fingers, reach up. Now when you do this, most of us tend to do the shoulders up as well. Let's try to see if we can drop the shoulders down. The whole focus is from your waist. Inhale, you stretch from your waist. Exhale, you slowly drop your hands down. Every movement we'll do this 3 times. The third time we'll stay for 3 breaths. Inhale, you take your hands up, stretch. You can see how your fingers, joints of the fingers and wrist is stretching up. Exhale, slowly drop your hands to the sides. One last time, inhale. Open up your armpits as you reach up, lengthen up, stretch up as much as you can. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release your hands down. If you have more time, you can stay there for 5 breaths as well.
Lift the heels and take a downward facing dog. Just pedal your legs, just fighting to bring your nose as close to the knees, just creating more and more length. If your legs are up here, just pedal, just bending one knee, straightening the other, creating more space in your back for another 3, 2, stretching it all out, and for 1.
Bhujangasana. For this, we will lie down on our mats on our stomachs. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart. Keep your palms close to your chest and your elbows close to your rib cage. Deep breath in and lifting our head up and chest up. Now if you can straighten your arms, you can come all the way up here. But if you're finding this difficult, you can also stay here in a bent elbow position. Hold this posture for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, go down. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up, come up. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. If you shrug your shoulders like this, it will cause a lot of strain and stiffness in the shoulder area. So make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. Hold this posture. Keep breathing deeply. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly exhale, go down. Let's repeat this one last time. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up, and come up and hold the posture for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly bring your head down and chest down. Place your palms one on top of the other. Relax your head over your palms in Makarasana.
Balasana. So I'm going to meet you at one end of your mat. So if you can stay whichever end of the mat, keeping your knees together. Sometimes in Balasana we do it with the knees apart, but today we're going to do it with our knees together. Right, toes touching, heels apart, and just allow your head to come to the floor. Your hands can go onto either side of your body and just allow your whole body to rest. The reason we often start in Balasana is that it gives our nervous system a chance to relax. So we're just staying here for another 5 to feel really grounded with our head to the earth. And you can use this time to set an intention for the practice. What is it that you want to gain out of these next 10 to 15 minutes? And if no intention comes to your mind, I invite you to share my intention of doing this practice mindfully. Staying here for another 3. Taking deep breaths. For 2. And for 1. Slowly, without any rush, without any hurry in the world, you can use your hands to help prop up your upper body.